Hello everyone, I am Sachin Nisar, a Python developer and a computer engineering student. Today I am going to show you how to clone a Google Drive shared folder into our own Google Drive account without downloading it or going through a third-party app. As many of you know that it is not possible to clone a shared folder into your own Google Drive account which belongs to someone else. The following trick will help you to do so by using Google Collaborator, which is an application of Google itself. Also, if you are a programmer like me, then you should join our community Aao Code Kare to get learning resources for free. Let's get started. Click on the Share with Me option and right click on the folder you want to make clone of and add a shortcut to the drive. I am creating the shortcut into my drive as it is very accessible from anywhere. Now tap on New and click on More. There you will find the Google Collaboratory. If you don't find it, then click on Connect More app and search for it manually. As you can see that I have already installed it in my Google Drive account. I'll just click on it. After clicking on Google Collaboratory, it will open a new tab. Open the Files menu from the sidebar and click on Mount to the drive given on top bar of the files. It will ask for permission so that you can mount it to your Google Drive account. And it will also open this small piece of code which you have to run by pressing this play button. After mounting your drive, you have to copy the code. I will also share this code in the description below. After you have copied this code, just go to the drive and click on My Drive. There you will see the shortcut of this transfer folder. Just right click on it and copy path and paste it to the source because I want to clone the folder. If you want to clone a file, then just right click on the file, copy the path and paste it into the source path and not the source but the source path. If you have another folder to which you want to clone your folder, then you just have to right click on it and copy its path and paste it into the destination. Same goes for the destination path as well. If you want to paste it into a new folder, add a name at the end of the destination folder like this. After doing so, just press on this run cell. It will take few minutes or few hours based on the size of the folder. As you can see that the new folder has been created and it is cloning the transfer folder into the new folder. As you can see that copied is printed, which means that our cloning process is complete. Let's check that on my Google Drive. Here is the folder which was supposed to be copied. Let's check its content. There were 4 folders which were supposed to be transferred from this transfer folder which belongs to someone else to our new folder. You can see that new folder contains all the folders which belong to transfer folder. By this we can conclude that we have successfully cloned a shared folder which belonged to someone else and pasted it into our own Google Drive using our simple script.